Okay, so once again, good morning, everyone. So for today, we're going to have a discussion of chapter 2 or module number 2, the strategic marketing planning and analysis. No? So in this lesson, we're going to have a discussion about the strategic marketing planning frameworks, environmental scanning and SWOT analysis, competitive analysis and position strategies, marketing matrix, and performance measurement. No? Are you an individual with a strong interest in marketing, seeking to achieve exceptional performance within the industry? So strategic marketing planning is widely regarded as a crucial factor in achieving success. So a comprehensive comprehension of strategic marketing is a vital for individuals seeking to be entrepreneurs or marketing professionals in order to attain exceptional outcomes. In light of the rapid advancement of the digital era and the widespread adoption of virtual business models, it has become imperative for companies to develop and implement strategic marketing plans in order to effectively attain their objectives and effectively engage with their intended audience. In this discussion, our presenter will be able to provide comprehensive overview of the fundamental stages involved in strategic marketing planning, as well as explore several approaches to develop an effective marketing strategy that can lead to success of every organization. Again, strategic marketing planning refers to the process of aligning marketing activities and strategies in order to get desired business goals. The inclusion of this element is a fundamental component of a comprehensive market growth strategy. And the aforementioned process now entails a systematic methodology for developing and implementing strategies that propel firms towards achieving favorable outcomes. So marketing development strategy, of course, covered market trend analysis, product pricing, product distribution, promotional activities. And these endeavors aim to optimize market influence and contribute to the achievement of long-term corporate goals. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Wait lang, sir. Nag-load ka lang.
What happened? Okay, so while we are waiting with the presenter to share her screen, okay, strategic marketing planning offers organizations a structured framework to effectively pursue their marketing objectives. So the alignment of marketing initiative with the overarching business plan is essential for optimizing the utilization of resources. So through the formulation of a strategic planning strategy, organizations are able to discern potential possibilities, proactively anticipate business issues, and devise effective tactics to mitigate risk and overcome obstacles. Okay, presenter, go ahead.
So, strategic marketing planning and analysis. So, each company must find the way that makes most sense given its situation, opportunities, objective, and resources. Marketing plays an important role in strategic planning. It provides information.
Na-disconnect ba presenter natin? Na-disconnect ata ang presenter natin. Okay, so while we are waiting, pag nag-adjoin siya, inform na lang ako, no? Okay, so The subsequent points encompass fundamental elements that should be considered in order to optimize the efficiency of strategic marketing planning endeavors. The process of strategic marketing planning is ongoing and susceptible to adoption in response to the fluctuating dynamics of the market. And the process serves as a fundamental principles to adhere to when formulating a strategic marketing plan. Okay, President, go ahead.
Rinig na ho ba?
Yes, go ahead.
Rinig na.
Yes,
Okay.
go ahead.
So, sa ngayon, kadalasang marketers or mga fear, mostly wala na, hindi naman lahat, mostly lang, or iba. Wala silang marketing plan. So ngayon, we will tackle about marketing plans and its analysis. So first, let's define what is strategic marketing planning. Marketing planning following a plan to reach a specific marketing goal. Companies may develop strategic marketing plans to increase revenues and profits, achieve greater visibility, discourage competitors, or improve their appearance through a total rebranding. So sa strategic marketing planning, there are marketing process overview. So, ano nga ba yung strategic marketing process? Strategic marketing process is a deliberate series of steps to help you identify, reach your goals. Even more, you'll discover what your customer want and develop products that meets those needs. So, ito nga yung mga step na yun. Mission, situational analysis, marketing strategy, and marketing mix. So, isa-isahin natin sila sa mission. So, every firm naman, kahit sinong company naman may mission. Pero yun nga, kadalasang firm kasi ngayon, wala nang marketing plan, katulad ng mga content creator. Bigla na lang sila magtatayo ng mga business. Yun yung mga sample ng mga firm na need ng marketing planning. So, sa step 1, kailangan natin ng mission statement. So, ano ba yung goal sa isang company? So mission states the purpose of the company firms, often start with a clear mission held within the mind of the founder. So